right, squint your eyes. This is a small one. Kendra has $2.31. So let's write that over here. Kendra has $2.31. Logan has $2.76. So Logan is $2.76. Bella, some new person, has more money than Kendra, but less money than Logan. So more than Kendra, less than Logan means Bella is going to be in between them. Which amount of money could be the money Bella has? Well, Kendra is $2 and something. Logan is $2 and something. Bella's in between, which means it's $2 and something. Now, I'm saying that right now because this helps me eliminate two possible answers. Okay, it helps me eliminate C because C is $1 and, I don't know, 57 cents. So that's not right. Oh, but you know what? I kind of lied. I looked at D and I saw just the $1 bill, but look at the amount of quarters that I have. So I can't just get rid of that. So it could be B. All right, well, let's count up all the change for all of this, okay? We have $1, $1, and we're going to add 10 cents, and 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels, which is 20 cents, and a penny. So if we wanted to run to our calculator, $1 plus $1 is $2. 10 cents plus 20 cents is 30 cents. Plus 1 penny is 31 cents. So this is $2.31. Now, if you're looking at Kendra and saying, Kendra is $2.31, well, then Bella can't be that because Bella has to be more. So A is not an option. So let's take a look at what B is going to be. B, let's use purple, is going to be $1 plus $1. And then we have a quarter plus a quarter plus a quarter. So 3/4 is 75 cents. Plus 2 dimes is going to be 20 cents. So we have $2 and 75 cents plus 20 cents is 95 cents. That's more than everybody. So it can't be B. So what's Bella going to be? It's got to be D. Because you have $1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters is another $1 plus 25 cents, okay, because it's a 5th quarter, plus 2 dimes is going to be 20 cents, plus 1, 2, 3 nickels is going to be 15 cents, plus a penny, which is a penny. So that's $2. 25 and 20 make 45. 45 plus 15 is 60, and 60 plus 1 is 61 cents. That was a very tricky problem. But $2.61 does fit in between $2.31 and $2.76. Gross yuck.